Hi, Ethan. How are you today? What are you doing? Are you going to do some tricks today?
Yahoo!
Okay, let's go. Do you guys want to find springboards in this place?
Ah!
Good. What is that, Ethan? The springboard is green. Let's start showing the trick starting with Ethan.
Oh! Oh! You!
Very good, Ethan. You managed to show the first trick. Now replace tiny little Ethan. Good, tiny little Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
Try to find another springboard.
Ah!
What is that? The springboard is orange. Show me your style, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
Great, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo!
Now, tiny little Ethan, you can do it.
Wow!
Very cool, tiny little Ethan. Let's find another springboard with another color. What is that? The springboard is blue. Start doing tricks now, Ethan.
Up! You! Oh!
Amazing, Ethan! Now, tiny little Ethan, do you want to try it? Do not be afraid to try. Good, tiny little Ethan. You managed to show the front flip trick well. Wow, the springboard is red. You can start now, Ethan.
Yahoo!
Cool,
Yoo-hoo.
Ethan. You did well. Now, tiny little Ethan, you must dare to try again because it is very fun. Great! This is very surprising, tiny little Ethan. You have managed to show various tricks on the springboard.
Yoo-hoo!
You also learned the various colors on the springboard. That was a lot of fun today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Ethan. How are you? Ethan, would you like to go fishing and learn colors today? Great! Then let's get started.
Oh!
Blue.
Yahoo!
Green. Orange. Purple.
Ah.
Red.
Yahoo!
Yellow.
Oh.
Perfect, Ethan. You caught so many fishes and learned so many colors today. Would you like to sum up?
Aha.
Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Red. Yellow. Bye, Ethan. See you next time. Hi, Ethan. How are you? Ethan, would you like to go to the circus? Wonderful.
Oh.
There is a monkey missing. Will you help us find him?
Yoo-hoo!
Great! Let's go. Maybe the monkey is in that tree. That's not a monkey. It's a bird. Perhaps he is inside the tent.
Ah.
Uh-oh, no monkey here. Let's keep looking.
Aha.
Maybe this tail belongs to the monkey. This tail belongs to a lion. Hippos. Bears. Where can that monkey be? Don't give up, Ethan. We'll find him.
Ah.
There he is, on top of the tent.
Yahoo! Hoo! Hoo!
Great job, Ethan.
Yoo-hoo! Yahoo!
You found the monkey. See you soon, my friend. Hello, Ethan. How are you today? Look at all these targets.
Ah.
What do you say we aim and count them at the same time? Great! This will probably open this chest, don't you think?
Yahoo!
Let's start with the red target then.
Oh.
1.
Yahoo!
Very good, Ethan. Now, concentrate to aim the green target.
Oh,
2. Impressive, Ethan.
yoo-hoo!
Try the purple target.
Ah,
Oh no, you missed, Ethan. You need to hit the target to unlock the chest. 3.
yahoo!
Great throw, Ethan. Now, focus on the yellow target.
Hoo!
4. Impressive, Ethan.
Yahoo!
2 more and you'll be able to open the chest,
Ah.
Ethan. Look at that dark blue target. 5. You're good at this, Ethan. Concentrate for the orange target, Ethan.
Oh,
6.
hoo!
Last target, Ethan. Look at the pink one coming up.
Ah,
7.
yahoo!
Good. Now let's see what is inside that chest.
Ah,
This is such a good surprise, Ethan. See you soon, my friend.
yahoo!